Hey everybody, welcome to the video. So today I've set up a little area now, so this is going to be my little YouTubing area for unboxing things we're going to be doing on the Rebel, any other bits and bobs and tools and stuff like that. But today we are going to be talking and installing, hopefully, this little black box here. What is in the box, you ask? Well, let's have a look. And if you can see that any better now, I'll get it nice and close. Well, we have a pair of bar end mirrors. Very nice. Could have done with a bit of a clean. So we've got some little bar end mirrors that we're hopefully going to be putting on and then having sort of like under like that on the bike. That's the plan that I want to try and attempt. Because I don't really like these at all, they're just a bit big and ugly. So we're going to be trying to put these ones on here from that way. So we've got some end bits there, and we have the other mirror. Oh, they've even supplied some Allen keys, which is very nice of them. A small Allen key and a large Allen key. Right. So, does fit. I'm going to get a proper tool. I'm going to bring out the Blue Point toolbox. This is good already, isn't it? You can see the stuff I'm going to be using. Right, what have we got? 6? No, a 5. We don't have a 5. We've lost the 5. This is not very good. Right, so we're not going to be using this. I do have another one. We do have a 5. Not in that box, in the toolbox. The big one, right. Wasn't even that tight. Probably could have just done it with the original Allen key. Right, so let's take this off. We do have a weight in there. We've got a weight in there. Just cut this down a little bit. I don't think that's going to work. How do we get the weight out the end? Let's Google it. Right, so what I've decided to do is I'm going to keep the original bar end mirrors in, and I'm going to add these on to the end, okay? I'll show you. So here's the original bar end on it with the extension for the mirror, and we've used a longer bolt to go through it. And here's the original bolt that went in it and the longer bolt that we're going to be putting through from it. So yeah, that looks alright. We'll do the other one now quickly. Put the original end back on. We'll put that in. Screw that down. Make sure it's nice and tight. It's a bit tighter, annoyingly. Alright, open up. So then we go in either way really, but we'll put it back in first. I don't even think it's tightening anymore. What a fucking piece of shit. I mean, you get what you pay for, don't you, at the end of the day? Seems to have been cross-threaded on installation. And that's obviously not come out particularly well. I'll just try and tap it through a bit. Sort the thread out a little bit. Oh, yeah, this one's going okay. Our replacement bits. Yeah, it's gripping. It's gripping. Right, boom. That's it. Done. They are on. They're under now. We've got 4 lots of mirrors. Can we see anything out of them? That's the question. We'll take off these top ones, and then we'll get some blankers for the caps, for the holes, some black ones, and then we're ready to rock and roll. There we go. I think that looks wicked. So there we go. That's how it's going to be sitting from the front. We're not going to have them big ugly bars hanging over the top anymore. We're going to have these sleekies. There we go, guys. Little job there done. Had to do a lot of little modification-y crappy bits on it because clearly nothing from China is ever going to work correctly. Couldn't get the bar ends, weights out. Realistically, I'm happier to leave them on like that and just bolt those extra bits on the ends. So obviously not everyone's going to have the extended screws to put it in, but I've got a garage here with all car bits and stuff, so that wasn't too much of an issue. I can let you know what the current bolts that came with it, as I say, they come out of the bars. You just need to extend them probably by about 2 centimeters, so, and that should be good enough to then poke it through. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, or you want to see any more content or anything, or any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.